Let's see what's inside. Seashells. Ew! I'm gonna throw all these out and crush them. Are those my seashells? You're destroying them! Let's play with garlic. Stop! Give me my switch then! That's mine! No, mine!
Hey, kids!
Stop it!
Well, they can't fight now. The mommy saved the day. Did you see that? Ursula and Wario! Oh no! They see the kids as yummy food! Mommies, help! The mommies disappeared!
My mother is missing! My mom is missing! Where do I hang this missing flyer? Oh, there! You occupied the wall! There's my flyer! My mom is missing too! I'm gonna stick it up here. What? Be gone! Huh? What's that noise? I can hear it too! It's coming from here! Whoa! A secret door! Let's get in!
What could be inside?
We're trapped! What's that?
She bites, you know.
But you're trapped! Aha! I have an idea!
Vampire Mom's growing her fangs! That's long enough. See if you can break us out. Add some marshmallows.
Here you go!
Oh no! We've got to think of something else. The mermaid's powerful voice! It's hypnotic! Wario is hypnotized!
But not me! Hey! What are you doing? Aha! This is what's gonna lift the spell! Let's grab some seaweed. And we're gonna cover Wario's ear with it! Now, stay away from the cage. Go! I'll handle this. Here's what's gonna stop your singing! Where are we? Whoa, cool! Look! A tiara! My mommy has a tiara! Oh no! Hey, don't cry! Look over there! Mommy's here! Be careful! Oh no! Tentacles! More food for us! For you! Ouch! Ouch! Whoa! What's this? Looks like a challenge room!
Are you up for the challenge?
Easy! I'll drink some blood first! Here goes! That's it! Keep going! Oh, almost there! Let me try! Here goes! I got it!
The mom's got some arrows! Congratulations!
Oh, it's pointy! We can use these! Oh no! They're popping the balloons! What are we gonna do? How could this happen?
Look what teamwork can do!
Look, another challenge room! Let's get in! Whoa, look at that! Let's get that green button!
Oops, not so fast!
Oh, man! Whoa! Help me! Let me try! I got in! Here I come!
More arrows for the mommies! Time to start popping those balloons again! Now they have a better view of what's going on.
Ooh, fire!
Hurry, guys!
Wow, look at this room! Full of sweets! Come, look at this! A tally board? Look, there's a glass table! What could it be? I know! Let's see who wins! I won!
Well then, the loser must lie down under the table. And here's a bowl of creepy body parts. Pour it! If she gets scared, she loses!
This is yummy! Mmm!
She passed! Here's a check. Put it on the board. Another round to go. Garlic slime.
That stinks! Ah!
You failed this round.
Hey, maybe you can still save us! I'll try!
To win, she must not fear the slimy seaweed.
Gross! Here goes! Mmm! Yum! Woo! She did it!
And you get another check. Challenge completed.
Yay! We did it! Yes, we did!
Congratulations! Here's your final prize. You can use them to free your mommies.
Let's do this! Let's go!
What do we do now?
Nothing, I guess.
Ursula and Wario are arguing. The kids are here to the rescue.
Mommy, are you okay? We're gonna save you both!
They're popping all the balloons! Hurry up, kids! Almost there!
We're free! Yay! Yay!
Together at last! Wario and Ursula have seen them! But the moms are gonna fight back this time! Wario and Ursula are tied up! They can't do anything now! Let's go, kids!